Adorable baby animal videos are trending, and this YouTube channel has grown to 40,000 subscribers by tapping into this trend, and it's only getting bigger. Over on Instagram, similar pages are pulling in 30,000 to 50,000 views per reel, and I bet they're making $5,000 to $10,000 a month just by selling digital products through these videos. So, how can you create these viral-worthy baby animal videos with AI and for free? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make this happen in 4 simple steps. Plus, before the end, I'll be sharing an amazing hack on how to generate the perfect prompt using just a screenshot. Grab a cup of coffee and let's get into it. Step 1. Creating the perfect prompt. Writing prompts might sound tough, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Just open ChatGPT and copy the prompt I've included in the video description below. Once you've pasted that prompt into ChatGPT, ask it to create 5 more prompts featuring different cute baby animals. Super easy. And if you need even more unique prompts, drop a comment below, and I'll share a link to my Google Docs with tons of additional prompts you can use. Step 2. Generating the images. Now that we have our prompts, let's generate some high-quality images. I recommend using Leonardo AI because it creates stunning, hyper-realistic images. Head over to Leonardo AI, sign in with your Google or email account, and you'll get 150 free tokens daily. Once logged in, click Image Generation and select Leonardo Phoenix from the preset options. Choose Auto for the prompt enhancer, and for a lifelike look, select 3D render style. Adjust the ratio to 9:6 to match Instagram Reels. Paste your lion cub prompt into the prompt field and hit Generate. In seconds, you'll get 4 adorable images to choose from. Pick your favorite and click Download. Do this for all the baby animals you want to create, and you'll have a set of incredibly cute images ready to go. By the way, if this has been helpful so far, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more creators like you. Step 3. Converting images into videos. Alright, now that we have our images, let's turn them into videos. We'll be using Minimax AI. As a new user, you will get 3 days of unlimited access. During this time, you can create as many videos as you like without any credit restrictions. Upload one of the lion cub images you downloaded, and reuse the description from step 1, just tweaking it for video. For example, the cute tiny lion cub perched on a human fingertip, gazing directly at the viewer as it raises its head slightly, and hit Generate. Do this for all your generated images to create a complete set of cute animal videos. You can queue 3 videos at once. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on AI tools and content creation. It's free and you'll never miss another video. Step 4. Editing with CapCut. Now, let's fine-tune everything and make your videos look even better. Open CapCut on desktop or mobile and import all the videos you've created so far. Add trending background music and drag the track onto the timeline. Make sure to adjust your videos to a 9:16 ratio, perfect for Instagram Reels or TikTok. You can even slow down the video slightly to make it look more calming and cute. If you want to get even more creative, add animations or smooth transitions between clips. Once that's done, your video is ready to go viral. Bonus tip: the screenshot hack for prompt generation. Here's a cool hack if you ever need help coming up with the perfect prompt. Take a screenshot of any image you like, upload it to ChatGPT, and ask it to generate a similar image prompt for you. It's quick, simple, and gives you endless inspiration for new content ideas. Just follow the same steps in step 1 to get your prompt instantly. And that's it. In just 4 easy steps, you can now create viral baby animal content using AI, completely free. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also, if you've tried these tools or have any other cool tips, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.